That's gonna be a whole lot of beeps, baby.
Yeah, it is gonna be a whole lot of beeps. It's gonna be bleep, 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 mom.
So it looks like Matt went ahead and installed the fuel rails, the valley cover, and while he was doing the high side fuel system, you can see the fuel regulator in the back there, and then the lines run that way underneath. Doing a good job there, buddy, installing the fuel system.
Yeah. Did you just good job me?
I did, indeed.
I wouldn't mind getting something going later.
I don't wanna wait.
You know, Looney Tune days, everything was from Acme.
Yeah, that's true.
That's what we need.
That's gonna be great video.
Matt's getting hyped about it. Dude, it's the meth system, man. It's really getting into him.
Little secret, I like to sip on it while I install it. It's really just gets me back into my midnight groove, you know what I mean?
Gets you real pumped up. What do you think? Nice? Yeah? What you said, stage 3, right?
Yeah, it was just heads cam because they already had a VRAM and headers. So it's getting heads cam, Corsa Johns, and valve covers.
Valve covers? Okay, cool. Well, let's do that. Been a while. See, they're over there off and you're over here working. How's that work?
Exactly how you think.
Exactly. Yep. Yeah. About ready to pull that cam out, getting the new one ready.
Gotta load this one up so I can slide it in.
Oh, you got it.
Let's tighten the VRAM in there.
Maybe put the oil pump back on, front cover, new heads.
Yeah, I'll probably get
That'll all be
that
tomorrow
stuff
or
back
something.
on. I'll probably salvage it for the front cover.
Yeah.
I can clean up.
This one was here before, wasn't it? At one point?
Been here 500 times.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did rods and pistons in it a while ago, and it had like a stock ported blower and shit on it. And I don't remember what it made then. I don't know if it ever made 800. It was maybe just shy of 800 on E, like 775, somewhere around there. And then We just did the 2650, like we put bigger injectors in it. Mainly the 2650 is really the only swap. But I think we did some other shit. We did a drive shaft, I think, and axles, the 15-inch kit. I don't know what all he changed. Oh, we did the like TRZ rear suspension shit. We didn't do it. He did a lot of it. This is, you guys remember Joey's CTSV. This is his wife's little brother. This is like a little brother version of Joey's old car. But yeah, so basically 2650, rods, pistons, then everything else, the support of mine is to go that. But yeah, drive shaft, axles, 15s, etc., etc. I don't know how much it'll make. We're not going to turn it up crazy high. I think it'll make maybe just under 900. We could turn it up more than that, but I think we'll just leave it like around there for a bit, and then when he wants to turn it up, we'll turn it up. But I assume it'll probably make in the, I don't know, 875 range, depending on how much boost it makes. I just made some pump gas. I made a bunch of pump gas pulls. Just made like just under 800 on pump gas. It's super conservative. And I don't remember how much boost it's making. I forget. 19 pounds, something like that. But it's a little cruiser.
Oh, trust me, it's a vacation.
It's a vacation, yeah.
I think the proper term is a staycation.
Yeah. Generally speaking.
I've never done this before. Pretty excited. Usually, you know, I'm rushing around, getting to where I'm going. Do the vacation thing, then I'm rushing back. Never really get a break.
It's coming together. We're in the final hours.
Yeah, Matt leaves here today. He's never coming back.
Cat's out of the bag.
The cat has left the bag.
Let me just tell you something. This is Matt's first week vacation since he's worked here.
Really?
Yeah, ever.
So like
He's
in
gonna leave for a week and he's not gonna come back. That's what it's gonna be. Yeah. When I go on vacation, it sucks to come back, dude. It really does. But I mean, it's just something you have to do. Vacation's vacation. You know?
yeah. It's a double-edged sword.
I mean, it's everybody hates coming back to work from vacation. You know, that's the way it is.
Alright, looks like the fluids are all filled up. I'm ready to start. Put the muffler on it. See if we can get Fran to flash it today.
That'd be cool.
Be real cool.
Yeah.
Well, apparently Matt's like a rapper
Yeah.
when he's drunk. That's what I was told back in the day. Never did witness it, believe it or not.
What's his rapper name? Do you know?
No,
Probably real good, I bet, huh?
I have no idea. Asphalt Cowboy, I think. I think that's it.
That sounds about right.
Oh, cam shot. Yeah, that's when he's drunk. He's a f***ing rapper. Matt, what is your rap name? I guess the Asphalt Cowboy.
That's only for the streets.
Oh yeah.
I was hoping for like an actual good response there, but
Yeah, he's got nothing.
nothing funny.
Usually when I ask him to rap, he's got nothing either. So.
Yeah. Little Frankenstein heads?
Frankenstein heads on in a hot second.
Really? Nice. Voila.
Yep. Words, help me do something real quick.
What do you need?
I'm sick of, nah, I'm sick of f***ing,
Worrying?
you cut them where I've always cut them, and you gotta get like 6 inches of pipe into these off, and it's unnecessary, so.
The next 6 inches would be a nice thing, eh?
Yeah. Like, can you just hold this and kind of like center of the hanger hole and eyeball it center of the other hanger hole?
Yeah, you don't have a longer one by chance? Yeah, that works. Just something to give me.
Shit, you probably slide that right through the thing.
Yeah, that's the guy, right?
So-
Herman or whatever. That was the guy when we did his ZR1.
6.5 inches is all it needs to be. Here, hold that.
I see what you're doing, yeah.
Yeah, see, I usually cut them right about here.
Yeah.
So that's a whole extra inch of unnecessity. Well, I just got the other pipe round.
I'm back, bitch. There we go. Yeah, you just needed that worry touch. Yep. Worry, don't get dirty.
close.
I
Stop
got
there.
it. You good?
What do you mean don't get dirty?
I don't want you to snap your skinny arm.
Oh.
Alright, going up there. Watch my bumper.
You act like I haven't had a hard day's work before.
I'm surprised you remember.
I had too many of those to forget.
We're gonna have to go kind of weird with it.
Yeah, that was the thing. You got to go in one side.
Ow!
I'm clear over here.
That.
A washer. It's right there. You got it on a hanger?
I'd like to get that thing going.
Not yet.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
To work next week, you're gonna have 3 children.
But I have come to the conclusion if I'm ever gonna reproduce in this world, it's gonna be an accident.
I don't believe that.
Like a planned accident? Is that what you're saying?
A few weeks ago, you said something to me that makes me wonder.
Maybe that's for the best.
Yeah, I would say so.
Words, do me a favor.
What's up?
Pry this exhaust this way towards me.
Towards you?
Yep.
When you're back here, you mean? Okay. Is that far enough?
Yeah, just so I get a nice tight.
Just giving it a little push.
Nice tight seat in that socket. Okay.
Good?
Need to tighten that. Thank you.
Yep.
Tighten that. Don't forget. Tighten those clamps. Plug in the mufflers. Do the gauge. On a day's work, baby.
People don't have the skill to do what I'm about to do. 108,
Let me check this.
father and son build.
Ah, nice.
Oh, no, that's not the color I like.
That's Krypton green.
Yeah, that's Krypton.
Oh, okay.
Never. Something different.
That's true.
It's not black or white. Nice.
You know, this green Camaro dropped off some goodies for us, apparently. So let's see what we got here. Some green Monster and Rehab Monster. Dude, we really appreciate it. Thank you. We are all stocked up, though, on the green Monster. The boys don't seem to drink it that fast. Black on red. That's nice. Dig it.
Can you dig it?
Yeah. I know what you're putting the other one on right now.
Yup. We'll do the easy side first. There's more room on that side.
Yeah, I see that.
There is. Not that much room on this side.
There is a lot more room. This thing's about wrapped up then.
Yeah, after that, I can hook everything back up.
Yeah.
That's why things are disconnected, so I can look over. There you go.
Yeah, I know. I saw that. Yeah.
Not nice.
That
is not nice.
compliment.
You know what? You guys are ruthless. Savages.
Yeah.
Not right.
What a piece of shit for saying that.
Yeah, I know, right?
Definitely gotta leave that in there.
Yeah.
You know who you are.
Yeah,
He knows.
You are, you
Yeah.
piece of
Dirt
shit.
bag. I bet you're ugly as too.
You're probably as so is your mom.
That's gonna be a whole lot of beach, baby.
Yeah, it is going to be a whole lot of beeps. It's going to be bleep, 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 mom. Tricky part is centering this bad boy.
If you made it this far on the video, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. In Friday's video, be sure to check out the Grand Sport getting dynoed in the Chevy SS baseline, and the guy's gonna start working on some new projects.